Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we have another makeup look and I'm really excited for this one. It is using the I Heart Revolution Disney Aristocats collection. Oh my god, I was so excited when I saw that this came out and I just had to pick it up. This is what it looks like here. It's a gorgeous palette. There's a lot of option in this palette. Personally, I think they could have just gone with one side of eyeshadows. This amount of eyeshadows is quite overwhelming, but the colors are really beautiful. The formulas were actually surprisingly easy to work like with. Some Makeup Revolution products I find quite hard to work with. These were quite easy, and yeah, I really enjoyed creating a look with this palette. I'm going to get a lot more use out of this as well. There's so many different types of combos you could go for, but yeah, I went for like a purple sort of halo eye and I really enjoyed it. I also used the false lashes as well. I don't usually use false lashes in my makeup looks, but I don't know, I quite like how these false lashes look and I'm happy with how the makeup look. I feel like it just makes the makeup look, it just takes it up that little bit extra level. Of course my cat has a cameo. Hi, she always wants to come in here and say hi when I'm filming. But yeah, I am very happy. She looks like Pippa. Oh my gosh. That's so funny. But yeah, anyway, I might get Pippa a pink bow now that I've seen this. But anyway, this is the look that I created with the Disney Aristocats Stay Sassy palette. Let me know what you guys think of it down below. I did this video in a get ready with me style, so to have music going over the top. It's just, I find it easier to focus when I'm not talking through my makeup looks. So yeah, but if you guys want to see how I created this look here, then just keep watching. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Control, yeah. So baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you, still that's so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. that's the thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, celebrate in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still that's so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone.